Hello all friends. Today we are giving you the recipe for crispy chicken wrap with Doritos. First, we cut our chicken breast horizontally in the middle with a knife. We put a freezer bag on it and thin it by hitting our chicken with the help of a roller. We put cheese and salami in it. We're pouring some thyme, and we wrap it up nicely. We cut our Doritos into small pieces for our paneer. Yes, it's time for paneling. First, we sink into the egg. Then we dip it in flour and Doritos. You can secure the folds with the help of toothpicks. Then we put it in our air fryer like this and cook it for 12 minutes. While our chicken is cooking, we make our sauce. We use 1 teaspoon of tomato paste and 1 teaspoon of ketchup for our sauce. After 12 minutes of cooking, we add sauce and cheddar on it and cook for 3 more minutes. Our gorgeous looking crispy chicken with Doritos is ready. Bon appetit to everyone who tried. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.